Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy stocks right here on MetaTrader 5. There's one side note that I need to tell you, because right now the market is closed, so I will show you exactly what you need to do, but I can buy right now because the market is closed. So if you want to buy stocks, it's quite simple, because we click right here on symbols, go right here to Nasdaq, select stock, and then you have right here plenty of stocks. Now, let's say we want to buy ASML. Right here, you click on ASML, select right here, show symbol. And then right now, if you do OK and click this away, you will find here ASML on your market watch list. Then right now, what you can do is double click on it, or just right mouse click and chart window. You can decide what you want to use. I prefer the last one. And then right here, click on new order, select how much you want to buy right there. So let's buy 2 ASML. Then create a stop loss or take profit if you want to do that. And if you click right now on buy, we just created ourselves a position when the market was open. So this is how you can buy stocks right here on MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.